So hello YouTube, my name is Vlad, and what I will be showing you is how to fix the cannot create a DAG file error. Now this thing happened due to Windows update, well the latest one anyway, so today is 26th of 5th, and the update that came out a couple of days ago. Anyway, I will be showing you that in the rest of the video, but you will probably need to reinstall drivers and older ones. I'm using the first blockchain drivers, so they work best for me. If this is not the case for you, then you should not do anything. Anyway, I will be posting the link to my video in the description down below, and that is pretty much it. Enjoy the rest of the video. Now, the problem with the latest Windows update is that, well, for some reason, miners just don't want to work. And by not wanting to work, what I mean is they actually start to work, but not all of the cards do work. Now let me show you the idea. And I will be starting my miner. And sorry for the screen size. Okay, for some reason now cards are not detected. I do need to patch the drivers, just a second. Well, one reboot later, as you can see, you get this error, which is OpenCL cannot create DAG files on GPU. And this actually happened well after Windows updated the operating system. Now the solution to this is well, blatantly simple. Let me show you the idea. Okay, now what you should do is go to device manager, so this PC properties, choose advanced system settings, and basically the only thing you have to do is click on performance, click on advanced. As you can see, I have 16 gigs of swap file. What you should do is increase it to 32 and increase this thing to 32, and that is pretty much it. I assume that Microsoft fucked up something with the swap file. Not quite sure what, but this is the solution anyway. So let me close this thing, and now when I actually go and start miner, so let me show you the and the reason I'm using older miner, don't even ask. I accidentally deleted all of the executables in the newer folder. Anyway, I'll deal with it later. So as you can see, the miner is starting up, and again is starting as it well did before. Now the only difference actually is that now it actually will work. Now for some reason hash rate in the beginning is actually lower, but it's not an issue, so it will go up to 28.5, 29. So, and as you can see, all of the cards are actually working. There you have it. I hope this video helped, and there you have it. I hope this video helped, and if it did, click thumbs up. If it didn't, click thumbs down, and that is pretty much it for this video. Have a good day. Bye.